Right now, we're a direct copy ye-joyous celebration in Zimbabwe. Nena spirit of praise, nena Hillsongs of South Africa, nema Americans and wamautokopa ku Nigeria.
Your advice to Sir Alex?
And to say Alex and all the other local gospel musicians, we've never had an international gospel musician in Zimbabwe. And one of the reasons they are not suspect and we are always trying to copy South Africans, Americans, or Hillsongs. Let's include my Zimbabwean elements to our music. Being a Christian doesn't mean you have to abandon who you are culturally. And being on the global village doesn't mean you have to deny your distinction as an African, as a Zimbabwean. There's nothing wrong to worship God with my elements, Mbira, with my elements, Zimbabwean sound. Right now, we're a direct copy ye-joyous celebration in Zimbabwe. Nena spirit of praise, nena Hillsongs of South Africa, nema Americans and wamautokopa ku Nigeria. You will never go on an international stage sounding like somebody else. Be yourself. Don't protect what you wish was true.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.